ODC box in Jio 4G tower. What is ODC box? Why Jio 4G tower installed ODC box and what components contains in ODC box? Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Learning with Raja. Today we will talk about ODC box and their components. Firstly, ODC box installed a device which is SMPS. It means switch mode power supply. And next is there is 4 rectifiers installed in ODC box. You all know about rectifiers. Rectifiers works convert AC power to DC power. It takes input from AC current and gives output into DC current. Because our all components in tower works in DC current. So suppose our ODC box, our rectifier takes input 220 volt AC current and it gives output 48 volt DC current. And our next is SPD. SPD installed between the MCB. SPD means surge protection device. It works when high amount of current occurs suddenly. So it saves all electronic devices from high amount of current. High amount of current can short circuit our all devices and it breaks all connections from the tower. So SPD installed. SPD save all electronic device. Our next is MCB. MCB is also work like SPD. It also save electronic devices. So why we need SPD? Because SPD work parallelly to MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. From this name, miniature circuit breaker, it means it breaks the circuit. But SPD works parallelly. It's no need to break any circuit. When high amount of current occurs suddenly, then SPD save all electronic devices without breaking any circuit. And parallel to SPD, MCB break all circuits to save all electronic devices. And our next component is installed in ODC box. It is our Delta company controller. It is a controller that controls all processes, all tasks in ODC box in tower. And this device is belongs to Delta company because Delta company creates this device. With the help of Delta company controller, we control how amount of voltage supply, how amount of current supply, what's the current voltage, what's the voltage we need, and what's power we need, what's flow of working, what's flow of current in tower. It control all process in ODC box and tower. And the next is our battery bank. Battery bank is also installed in ODC box. It is installed for backup. When power supply is switched off, then battery bank supply a backup supply power. It supply AC current and rectifiers convert into DC current. Then our tower works. When our battery is fully charged, then there is some lights installed. And when battery is in process in charging, there is a red light blink. And when it is full charged, there is 4 green light blink simultaneously. Our next is router. Router is also known as Cisco, but it's not a full name of router because Cisco is a company and router is a product of Cisco company. So almost 90% people called this device Cisco, but this is really a router. Router provide a path for the link. It provides network path. And our next is BTS. BTS means base transmission station. BTS works for send signals to the other devices, to the other towers, other phones. BTS is a main component in tower and main component for communication. So BTS is responsible for send signals to the other tower. It shares signals to microwave antenna. Microwave antenna shares signals to the other tower, then our phone calls, and then we talk. So friends, this is a basic knowledge of Odyssey box. What's the components contains in Odyssey box, and what's the work of that components. We know about Odyssey box, and then SMPS, SPD, rectifiers, MCB, Delta controller, and battery bank, then router, and then BTS. So this is a basic knowledge. Thank you friends. I hope you learned something new.